Hey guys, my name is Divya. I'm a doctor and I've held a management role with a healthcare company for a while. I've taken many management exams in my life. SHRM is one of them. I've been doing a series of videos on my channel to help everybody out in the community get certified. I do hope that these videos are helping you. If they are, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot. Okay guys, so it's about 15 days left for the SHRM exam if you're taking the exam in the winter session. So I really hope that you would use the coming week to do more and more questions, learn from your answers, and move on. Beyond that, the last week is not the time to take exams and not the time to be cracking too many questions. Maybe a few here and there would help, but that's the time to be really reinforcing, looking at your notes, studying and ensuring that you can remember those notes and you've committed a few things to memory and that you understand what's going on. So the last week, guys, please don't crack too many questions. Please don't take practice exams. Just study. It's reinforcement so that everything in your mind is cemented. And the most important thing, the last day, the day before the exam, that's not the time to study, guys. That's the time to take a break, relax your brain muscles, do something fun, watch a movie, spend time with your kids, maybe paint a little, take a walk, and then when all these nice things are done, you have a good night's sleep and just go crack the exam. So this was my last 2 weeks for the SHRM. Practice, practice, practice questions. The second week, 2 weeks before. Last week, no questions, just study your notes, and the day before, take a day off and have a great night's rest. You're going to be just fine, guys, and I do hope that these videos are helping you. Thank you so much for watching.